Chapter 5: Highway Safety. As the number of motor vehicles and vehicle miles of travel increases throughout the world, the exposure of the population to traffic crashes also increases. That's why traffic and highway engineers are continually engaged in working to ensure that the street and highway system is designed and operated such that highway crash rates can be reduced. They also work with law enforcement officials and educators in a team effort to ensure that traffic laws, such as those regarding speed limits and drinking, are enforced and that motorists are educated about their responsibility to drive defensively and to understand and obey traffic regulations. Several issues are involved in transportation safety. This includes whether accidents should be referred to as crashes, the causes of transportation crashes, and the factors involved in transportation crashes. 5.1.1 Crashes or accidents. Accident is the common accepted word for occurrence involving one or more transportation vehicles in a collision that results in property damage, injury, or death. The term accident implies a random event that occurs for no apparent reason other than it just happened. In recent years, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has suggested replacing the word accident with the word crash, because crash implies that the collision could have been prevented or its effect minimized by modifying driver behavior, vehicle design, roadway geometry, or traveling environment. What causes transportation crashes? The occurrence of transportation crash presents a challenge to safety investigators. In every instance, the question arises: what sequence of events or circumstances contributed to the incident that resulted in injury, loss of lives, or property damage? In some cases, the answer may be a simple one. For example, the cause of a single car crash may be that the driver fell asleep at the wheel, crossed the highway shoulder, and crashed into a tree. In other cases, the answer may be complex, involving many factors that, acting together, cause the crash occur. As an example, most people know that the Titanic, an unsinkable ocean liner, went to bottom the sea with nearly 1,200 passengers and crew. The common belief is that ang Titanic sink because it struck on an iceberg. However, the actual reason is much more complex, and there's a lot of factors involved, including gamay ra ang lifeboats, lack of wireless information, poor judgment by the captain, and also overconfidence in the technology of ship construction. So, ang common belief is that ang simple ra kaadyo kanang murag na-struck ra dya sa iceberg, but it's not the main reason. There's a lot of factors involved why ang Titanic ning sink or why ning fail ang ship. Factors involved in transportation crashes. While the causes of crashes are usually complex and involve several factors, they can be considered in four separate categories: actions by the driver or operator, mechanical condition of the vehicle, geometric characteristics of the roadway, and the physical or climatic environment in which the vehicle operates. These factors will be reviewed in the following section. Driver or operator actions. The major contributing cause of many crash situations is the performance of the driver of one or both of the vehicles involved. For example, kasagaran cause of crash is kanang ag driver is hubog, and at the same time nagpadagan og kusog. Or napoy some instances nga ang driver is nag-cellphone while driving. Next is the vehicle condition. The mechanical condition of a vehicle can be the cause of transportation crashes. Faulty brakes and heavy trucks have caused crashes. Other reasons are failure of electrical system, worn tires, and the location of the vehicle's center of gravity. The roadway condition. The condition and the quality of the roadway, which includes the pavement, shoulders, intersections, and the traffic control system, can be a factor in crash. Next is the environment. The physical and climatic environment surrounding a transportation vehicle can also be a factor in the occurrence of transportation crashes, with the most common being weather. So, in most cases, ang daghang crashes tungod ang road is slippery because of rain or snow. This is because wet pavement reduces stopping friction and can cause vehicles to hydroplane. Mao nang daghan ang makrash if ting uwan or ting snow.